Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Jack's drawing in Red Dead Redemption 2. This charming piece of art is a small, yet significant, detail that many players enjoy finding. It represents a touching moment between Arthur Morgan and young Jack Marston. To begin, you will need to fulfill a particular request from Jack during your adventures. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you don't miss this memorable collectible. The journey to obtaining Jack's drawing begins with a simple request. At some point during the main story, while at camp, Jack Marston will ask Arthur to find him a thimble. This is a common item found in various locations, so keep an eye out for it. Once you have secured one thimble, return it to Jack. His gratitude for this small gesture will lead to a very special thank you gift appearing later. After you have given Jack the thimble, the drawing will eventually appear in Arthur's personal space. This is typically his tent or room within the gang's current camp. Search thoroughly on any tables or surfaces near his cot. Sometimes, due to a minor game quirk, the drawing might be slightly obscured. If you have trouble finding it, try switching to a first-person perspective and slowly walking around the table. An interaction prompt should then appear. Jack's drawing is more than just a collectible. It is a beautiful, subtle piece of storytelling. It highlights the unique bond between Arthur and Jack, showcasing the softer side of the outlaw life. Finding this drawing provides a moment of warmth and connection in an often harsh world. It is a small detail that truly enriches your overall experience, making it a worthwhile endeavor for any player seeking to fully immerse themselves in the game's narrative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.